Hi friends, welcome to Careers View. Please do subscribe and also press bell icon and choose all option for everyday notification. Winning doesn't always mean being first. Winning means you are doing better than you've done before. In this video, we are going to see about the CEAT Limited job recruitment process. CEAT Limited is an Indian multinational tire manufacturing company owned by the RPG Group. It was established in 1924 in Turin, Italy. As of date, CEAT is the one of India's leading tire manufacturers and has a presence in the global markets. They are hiring candidates for the role of machine shop tat. For this job position, the candidate should have the qualification of diploma in any specialization. And also they specifically mentioned that the candidates should be passed out in the year of 2021 batch. And the candidate should not have any arrears in their studies. And also the candidate should have the minimum 60% of marks in their graduation. The freshers can apply for this job. They are providing up to 14,000 as the salary for this job role. Along with canteen subsidy as 390 rupees and transportation allowance as 150 rupees for Sunguvarchitram. Both the male and female candidate can apply for this job role with age limit of 21 years old. Maximum. If you are male candidate, you should have the height of 160 centimeters and weight of 50 kilogram. If you are female candidate, you should have the height of 155 centimeters and weight of 45 kilogram. They mentioned that the accommodation will not be provided by the company. The candidate should work on the shift basis of 6 a.m. to 2 p.m., 2 p.m. to 10 p.m., 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. The every week once the shift timing will be changed for the employees. They are hiring the candidates for the location of CEAT Tyres, Maduramangalam, Sunguvarchitram. If you are interested for this job, the apply link is provided in the video description. Go and apply. Success is the result of perfection, hard work, learning from failure, loyalty and persistence. If this video is useful, please do like, share, and comment. And also, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram. Thanks for watching the video. All the best for your future.